Hello everybody, welcome back to the episode of Warrior Orochi. Last time we defeated that one battlefield. I wasn't talking about what you call it. Okay, now we're going to go to the battle with our little battle eyes. We have Yuan-Chao, the best in this game. I actually like Yuan-Chao old design. Yeah, that's what one of my stuffed animals, the Plague Doctors, you know, the Plague Doctor plushies are based on him. I like that. So what we did last time, we got ourselves some good stuff. I got a new character, not really new characters. So I did some upgrading. We have all this. Drain does nothing. I just level up all the stats. Pretty cool. 20 is the max for stat boost. Yeah. And then we're yeah. So let's go to the battle, the side story. Oh. We already saved. Wait, did we save? Yeah, we did. So what we could do right now is we're going to go play. We'll be doing Dinosaur Extreme Legends afterwards, but first we're going to go to the battle of... Let's go to post-game. Battle of Taragawa. Coalition Army and Swordsman's troops versus Orochi's troops. With your Swordsman troops to open the floodgates, watch the enemy down the river. So this idea, we'll talk about it when we get to the battlefield. We did this battle. No, this is just what you call it. Oh, this is the first battle where we get to fight against, need a new, the goat ally. To unlock this battle, we have to do this battle, but a certain objective. Yeah, in order to unlock this battle. Each stage has, yeah. And this is the final boss for this game. Okay, let's go. Easy mode. I could do normal, but normal.
Deciding to split up and search for a clue to the whereabouts of Yue, Zhao Yun scattered his forces to all corners of the map.
That's nice.
Sent to Tedorigawa, Meng Huo and Zhu Rong discovered a small band of swordsmen fighting gamely against Orochi's forces.
Oh, Miyamoto.
They were led by the mighty warrior Musashi Miyamoto.
Miyamoto.
Never once to leave a struggling man to die, Meng Huo and Zhu Rong rushed to Musashi's aid.
Nice. See the battlefield? What I was gonna say? Oh yeah, this thing. So the idea of this battlefield is what we need to do is defeat Minari. So, samurai strategist. So the idea with this battlefield that we need to protect this. In order to get Miyamashi in this battle, where is he? So weapons. We don't need to talk about that. Teammate for officers. So Among Wo is Yurong Zhao Yu. Okay. We'll talk about the enemies. Okay, so the battle probably this goes. We need to protect Miyamoto. And then the samurai. Nanamasa Kodo. Is he related to Kudobi Kodo? The one mystic dude? Yadamasha Tawanaka? So our idea, we were supposed to go and sneak in and save these guys. If any of these battles, you won't be able to get Miyamoto. They only have like 3 officers, wow. And then they're like generics. So Liu Bei's army will be a Miyamoto. He's the leader. I really don't care much. He uses a fan. I don't really care much for him. Lu Bu. Oh, we're screwed. Zenki, the narcissist guy who cares about beauty. Ina. I like her. Mafeng. Wait, is Mafeng used to be part of Shu? I think Mafeng is part of Shu. Wei Zhu? That's Liu Bu? Isn't, yeah, Wei Zhu is Dong Zhuo / Lu Bu's faction. Jingling, also, what you call it, Wei Shang. Zenki. Sao is, of course, Sao Jing. Yuji. Yuji is the playable in Dinosaurs 8. He's the officer with the 2 hook swords. Samurai. 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 Any unique designs for this map? Not really. Nothing unique. I think his outfit. Generic Japanese dude. Japanese with a helmet. Japanese generic dude. Generic dude. Oh, there's 2 of these, designs. Generic samurai dude. They're generic samurai. With a weird western hat. regular Japanese with a deer one. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so we gotta go to point A to point D and protect the samurai from dying. This will be fun.
It wouldn't hurt us to strike out on our own.
Good idea, my dear. Let's swallow them whole.
Oh, is that dark?
Doesn't look like we're really prepared for this. It's up to my sword to buy us a little time.
Sounds familiar. We'll save you
I'm
later.
afraid I can't overlook this behavior. Put the insurrection down.
Ah, Jolly.
Time to open those gates and see if the enemy can swim. Stand and fight me. I shall show no mercy. You want to fight? Then fight me. I won't be denied next time.
Okay.
I mean, no me.
Holy macaroni, there's a lot of enemy officers.
Victory is mine.
Wong Chong. Eugen. I like Eugen. The other Eugen. I don't think they're related. Maybe they're not. Yeah.
I won't be denied.
Die, I love you. I am your one show, believe me. Your one show is like a beast in this game.
Maybe I was wrong about you.
Yeah.
I won't be denied next time.
Now that has to finish speed.
Someone I can really rely on.
Yep, let's
Still
go.
not enough. Still not enough.
No, I don't want to go down there. I want to protect the guys. Okay, we gotta go keep going.
Maybe I was wrong about you.
Okay, I think there's an off.
Stand and fight.
Okay. Okay, we have nothing to worry about. There's a guy in the bottom. Okay. Where is everybody at? Okay. These two are saved, so we have to save Naramasa Kyoto. Okay, let's go with saving Naramasa. Noramasa. Where is Noramasa? They're like down below. Yeah, we gotta be careful. We gotta go fast because he could die by basic units. We gotta make sure the floodgate. So I think the floodgates be guarded by Blue Boo.
Discretion is the better part of valor.
Okay.
Victory is mine.
Oh, there's another enemy officer.
You're certainly fired up.
Okay, there. We have to protect one officer. So we're gonna do that one. That one. The one on the right side. So we gotta go this way, that way. So we gotta go this way, that way. Fight those two. Fight that one. Fight that one, and fight that one. But save that one alive. Okay, so we're gonna go this way. And we're gonna go back and save Miyamoto. So we want to go by the guy up there.
Victory is mine.
Yeah, we want to save the other two up there.
Hey, maybe I was wrong about you.
So we want to go up this way. Then we want to protect these guys so we can get down and fight the other guy.
One less enemy to worry about.
Are they moving?
You're certainly fired up.
Oh, there's guarded by enemy officers. Full generics. Come on, let's go. Then after this, we're gonna go. Let's go. More enemy officers.
Hey, save some for me.
I don't know if we can get down.
Bring it on.
My finger. My finger.
Damn! I hate backing out.
Oh. I was just like, what? I thought he got defeated. I
One
was...
less enemy to worry about.
Okay, we gotta go save Miyamoto. Ow! Stupid archers. Come on. Oh, he's fighting the officer up there.
I'm afraid I can't let you make it to the castle.
Oh, hello, man!
I could never defeat my former lord.
Oh, yeah,
Someone that is really reliable.
okay.
I don't know who you are. I sure am glad to see you. Just not playing, Miyamoto.
Let's go.
I've got to get those floodgates open. The three of us together can make it.
Okay. Yep, and then protect your allies. Where are they? There we go. I'm trying to get the officer up there. You're gonna fight the one on top, so that's good. Ways T.
Stand and fight me! I won't be denied next time. One less enemy to worry about.
Hey, maybe I was wrong about you.
It's kind of weird. It's dark right now. Miyamoto coming. Shaoxing. Watch for it. Protect those guys. Keep coming. Yep, they're all coming. Okay. Excellent. Oh, let's go.
You want your water? Do you, small fry?
I ain't
Yes.
small. Of course, I am smaller than you. That won't stop me slicing you up.
Oh, right here. Protect your allies without dying.
Don't worry. It'll be over before you know it. I'll do it myself.
Haha. Rejoice.
Good.
You won't be here for
You will
long.
not be in this place for long.
Okay. We'll see about that.
Indeed.
I won't be outdone.
Yuan Chao's the true hero of the three kingdoms. Look at him, he's just killing Lu Bu like right off the bat. We did it! Attacked by the flood attack. Hostiles. Like, I'm gonna go fight those guys.
Hey, look at those things now. Now I'm really angry. I'll remember this.
We'll see you again later.
Someone really reliable.
No, I think we actually fight Lu Bu in this chapter 3 times. One in here.
Find the enemy command. I couldn't have done it without you. Thanks.
Floodgates have opened. That means we must have gone past Lu Bu.
Yes.
You're not bad with those swords, I must say.
Not bad. I'm the best, man.
Okay. It's probably demon officers. Diamondback, Hognose, Kellback, and Orochi. I'm coming.
Calling for backup was the right choice.
Yes. Well, you are strategies. Let's go. Ah, no, we faked. That's good. I'm gonna slowly choke the life, of course. Say your quotes, you might want to. Which one is it? Oh, the main quote from Lord Orochi. Onwards. Finish him. Yes.
One less enemy to worry about.
Oh, there's another officer.
Maybe I was wrong about you.
Naruto's by himself over there.
Here is where you wither and die. Orochi will triumph. Do not resist.
One less enemy to worry about.
You're certainly tired up.
Let's go. Where's Diamondback? Naruto. There he is. Over there. It's kind of weird. It's at nighttime. Half the day is like the morning, half the day is night.
Orochi will triumph.
Do not resist. Okay. Let's go. Okay.
Someone I can really rely on.
I hate to say it, but Mongol is getting his ass beat. Mongol will save you. Oh my gosh, there's a lot. They'll be fine. Yep, let's go save our allies. Oh, I wish I had like the charge beam. Come on. Oh, actually good. That was right. Of course, it failed again. So a lot of like generic officers. We're almost there. Yay! That wasn't really too bad. We made it. Sweet. How is the samurai army doing? Good. Let's go. Yeah. If we play our cards right, we can easily get Miyamoto. I think we got this in the bag. We just need Minari. Minari.
You're gonna pay for helping that snake.
Don't insult me. It's most unseemly.
Turn up
I
the
was just about to get this over with, and now you show up.
it's fun. In this battle, quick. I don't have time for this BS. Yeah, the first time I played it, I had no idea you're supposed to get to the samurai as soon as possible.
One less enemy to worry about. With you guys, you have a real chance of getting that Orochi. Let me in your band. I promise you won't regret it.
We got Miyamoto. Miyamoto, he looks like a trouble man. Oh my goodness. Viper. Battle is Jingling. Save game. Complete. Ooh. Spaghetti. Hot cards. What we got next? So I think it'd be the electrical. Okay, take care. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.